So here's a video of HiSpecs 9 doing a small autonomous mission. So right now it's programmed to go a couple meters per second. Current speed is 5 meters per second. So this course is a little tight, so the turns it does, it kind of cuts the corner a little too much. I'm sorry, not enough, and then cuts the corner at the end. But that's more just because this is a particularly small course. So you'll see there where it cut the corner at the end with that yaw turn.
Reach command 7. Reach command 8. Reach command 9. Reach command 10.
And this mission is being flown with a 17.5 pound payload
11.
on the aircraft, just to simulate a large payload weight. And that's the end/beginning of the course, where it will now start over and begin the course again.
Reach command 4.